what do they do with this?
Order. I need to order more food.
Bamis.
It means a short person in Nepalese. Step into this quirky cafe and you'll know how engaging it is because every wall and everything here tells you a story.
And guys, don't miss the end of this video because that is when you will see the bloopers and you will certainly enjoy that. And before that, please hit that subscribe button and let's just go ahead with the video.
Hey guys, this is Akhil
Hi, this is Aditi.
and we are here at Bamis, which is at Koramangala, and I remember the location this time.
We're really hungry and guess what? It's raining outside. Perfect time to have momos.
Yes.
And just adds on to the feel and atmosphere.
And I cannot talk much, so let's just go in.
Oh God.
What is what? So this is
This is a platter of momos. First of all,
Yeah.
they always serve 4 different momos in the same platter, like you can
so
see.
yeah, like 2 different kinds of dips. This is chili and this is their own secret ingredient chutney,
Yes.
which we know the secret of. But yeah, this is like something with peanut.
Very distinct peanut flavor.
This one is, see, this side looks steamed, this side looks pan fried. So it's actually called Kothei momos.
These are fried momos, right? Then they have their steamed momos as well.
Yeah, so this is steam momos.
This is steamed. And
And
then
then this
you
is
got
the chili momos.
I think this needs no explanation, right? You can see the color.
And just in case you feel that these 3 things are not going that great with the dip, or maybe if in case you need some gravy, we actually asked the manager here to get us some gravy. So this is jhol. So you can dip the momos in this and you can have whatever you want. So yeah, so I think this will be something amazing. I think you can
Wow.
already see.
Yeah.
This is not that thick, not that thin. This is something like in
Just
between.
perfect, yeah.
I think at the moment we'll be putting the momos in. I think that will be something heavenly. Yeah.
Okay. Can't wait to try all this. So let's just start.
Yeah, sure.
Alright. Join us. The fried momos were really good. Alright. They didn't have too much of oil, what you would generally expect in fried. But yeah, if you don't want fried, if you want to go for some healthy option, you might just get pimples by having
Yeah,
fried food,
maybe.
too much of fried food. Right. So you can opt for steam.
Dip 1
Let's just dip on.
and dip 2.
And dip 3.
This is amazing. So all you guys who cannot have momos just like that, or maybe have something with a dip, this is definitely for you. So this is the jhol momos. So yeah, you should definitely try this because I love this.
We have tried a number of
Yeah.
momos with this dip, but what I would suggest is steamed momos.
Yes.
They go the best with it, right?
Yeah.
So this Wawa Sadu, sir.
Okay.
It is very famous in our restaurant. It's a like a Nepalese snacks. So it's like it will be chatpata, sir.
Oh, did we order this?
Yes, sir. We call this Wawa Sadu.
Oh, did we order this one?
No, sir. It's a complimentary for you, sir.
Oh,
Okay, wow.
that's nice.
That's nice, okay.
Oh, we love everything
Thank
from
you.
Shasta, so yeah.
Many of you in your office desks just
Yes.
munch on YY all the time, right? I've done that too. Okay, but
And I
having
have
it in this form is different
Yeah.
for you.
I have had like the dry one,
Yeah.
but yeah, not in this one.
Not in this form. This is a different
Yeah.
form. It's more like a chatpata chaat.
Oh, yeah, you have chilies also in this.
Yep, you
Yeah.
do. Not in this bite, but yeah.
Wow. Oh,
Wow,
this
beautiful.
looks amazing.
I've never had rose momos.
Yeah.
Most beautiful momos I've ever seen.
And this is open.
Yeah.
So yeah, so you can see that. So you have like some stuffing visible here, and I think I can see some cheese. Yes, cheese as well.
Wow. Yeah. I
And
like
then
to,
you have some
I like to call them pocket momos because see, it's like you got different pockets. The base is hot. Okay, they got different pockets, and you have stuffing, which is chicken right now in every terrace.
This is good.
Yeah, really interesting.
I
Beautiful.
can't wait to try this one. Still hungry? Yeah. Oh, I think yeah, we have it.
Yes. This is chicken thali. It's in Nepalese thali, ma'am. And this is unlimited.
Unlimited.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
This looks lovely. So that's our nice pickle
And then you have
radish.
the radish pickle, and then this is salad, of course, and this is your chili, and this is the saag.
Yes,
and
that's
this
a
is
saag. This is aloo jeera, one
Yeah,
of my
aloo jeera.
favorites. All right, that's potatoes with cumin seeds, and you have the compulsory curd and rice preparation right here.
Oh, so let's just try this.
Okay.
Yeah?
Guys, version 2.
Correction.
That was one way of having the thakali, but the
Yes.
other way is you literally mix all of this together. Can I start mixing it? Mix now. It has saag, the chicken curry, and dal, everything mixed together in it. Yep.
Wow.
Let's try it out.
It's so yum. And the butter and ghee which I was talking about in the dal is actually acting pretty well with the entire thing.
It's yummy.
Yeah, it's got like creamier.
So now if you're health conscious,
Yeah.
if you don't want to eat fried, you can go for the kote.
Yeah.
You can go for the kote because kote what it does is it's tawa fried.
I'll tell you, it's been 3 years in Bangalore, but this is the best momo I really have, In Bangalore, I think this is the best momo in Bangalore. And right now, I'm having this jhol momo. It's a soupy momo. So while eating it, I feel like I have traveled back to Nepal, This is the, it gives me those memories while I was in Nepal and I was having the momos. So that's it, I'm enjoying the momos.
I'm recording.
Is it us also?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, when we're eating, no?
Yeah.
Eating.
Shut up.
Eat.
You remember? And, yellow and the red chutney.